Hello students, today we are going to discuss the stoichiometry in which the concept is gram atomic weights. Gram atomic weights. First of all, the atomic weights are expressed in terms of AMU. 1 AMU, atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit taken as AMU. AMU. 1 AMU is equal to, this is equal to mass of one hydrogen atom. Mass of one hydrogen atom was taken as 1 AMU. Mass of one hydrogen atom is numerically equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. 1 mass unit is equal to mass of one hydrogen atom. It is numerically equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. 10 power minus 24 grams. Now, Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Avogadro number is represented by N0 or Na, which is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles, either atoms or molecules or ions or any particle. This number, this count 6.023 into 10 power 23 is known as Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Now what is gram atomic weight? Gram atomic weight. Gram atomic weight is taken as, this is mass or weight of Avogadro number of atoms. Weight of Avogadro number of atoms is called gram atomic weight. Gram atomic weight. Or this is also known as gram atom. Gram atomic weight or gram atom is equal to the weight of Avogadro number of atoms. Example, the weight of one hydrogen atom is equal to nothing but 1 AMU. Now what is the weight of Avogadro number of atoms of hydrogen? Weight of Avogadro number of atoms of hydrogen is equal to Avogadro number of atoms into weight of one atom, weight of one hydrogen atom. This is nothing but Avogadro number into 1 AMU. 1 AMU. Now on calculation, what is Avogadro number? Avogadro number is nothing but 6.023 into 10 power 23, and 1 AMU is numerically 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Now on multiplication we get 1. This is nothing but gram atomic weight. So clearly gram atomic weight of hydrogen is equal to weight of Avogadro number of hydrogen atoms. Avogadro number of hydrogen atoms, or weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms, which is equal to 1 gram. 1 gram hydrogen gas. 1 gram hydrogen. 1 gram hydrogen. So this is about gram atomic weight of hydrogen. Gram atomic weight of hydrogen. Now similarly, we calculate the gram atomic weight of carbon. Gram atomic weight of carbon. Gram atomic weight of carbon. Again, weight of one carbon atom is equal to 12 AMU, which is equal to, therefore, weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of carbon is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 into weight of one carbon atom, which is nothing but 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 12 AMU. Now that is nothing but 6.023 into 12 into, this is equal to 12 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. You learn the product of these two is nothing but 1. 12 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24. This is collectively 1. So thus we are getting 12 grams. Okay. Thus this is the gram atomic weight, or it is also known as gram atom, or it is also known as 1 mole. Carbon is equal to how many grams? 12 grams. Okay. Now the points you recall are, highlight points in this one are, 1 AMU is 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Next one, Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. Avogadro number into AMU. Or which is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 is nothing but, you remember, 1 gram. So what is 1 gram? 1 gram is nothing but, Avogadro number into AMU is nothing but 1 gram. This is nothing but 1 gram. Okay. So these are the highlight points we have to remember. Whenever you have Avogadro number into AMU, you simply take 1. Or whenever you have 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24, you take 1, which is equal to 1 gram. Okay. Now the gram atomic weights of elements. Gram atomic weights of elements are easily memorized by the simple trick. What is the simple trick here? That is, now gram atomic weight is equal to double the even atomic number. By doubling the even atomic number, we will get the gram atomic weight. For this one, helium with atomic number 2, but gram atomic weight gram atomic weight is, this is even number, so this is made double. Now beryllium, for beryllium this is exemption. This is exemption case. Next one, carbon number 6 even make double, oxygen number 8 even make double, neon number 10 even make double, magnesium number 12 even make double. Like that we will get atomic weights of even elements with even atomic number. The remaining are, that is for silicon, atomic number 14 even make double, sulfur even make double, argon this is fixed or this is exemptional, 40 this is exemptional, calcium number 20 this is 40 grams. Thus we can memorize the atomic weights of even elements with even atomic number. So which are exempted? Beryllium and argon are exempted. The rest of elements are for the rest of elements atomic weight is equal to double the even atomic number. Now for the in case of odd atomic numbers, gram atomic weight is equal to double the odd atomic number plus 1. Double the odd atomic number plus 1. Simply you can remember by double plus 1. Okay. Now for this also, hydrogen number 1, gram atomic weight 1 fixed, nitrogen 7 it is 14, chlorine 17 35.5. so these are exemptions for this trick. Now for the rest of elements we can take the gram atomic weight as double plus 1. Now you take lithium number 3, next one boron number 5, nitrogen fixed number 7 14, next one fluorine number 9 this is fluorine number 9, next one sodium number 11, aluminum number 13, phosphorus number 15, chlorine fixed this is fixed, and finally potassium number 19. For odd one you make double plus 1, 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 you make double plus 1 to get the atomic weight. Thus the gram atomic weights are memorized. Okay. Now what is the trick we followed here? The trick followed is gram atomic weight is equal to 2 times even atomic number or 1 plus 2 times odd atomic number. This is the trick we are following. The trick we are following is gram atomic weight is equal to 2 times even atomic number or 1 plus 2 times odd atomic number. This is applicable up to atomic number 20. It is applicable up to atomic number 20. Now some more. After the atomic number 20, that is if we will get any atom more than atomic number 20, they will provide the atomic weights. Of course, it is better to learn some important elements, atomic weights of some important elements: chromium, manganese, iron. gram atomic weights 52, 55, 56. It is better to get memorized. Next one, copper, zinc 63.5, 65.3. Last, silver 108, bromine 80. So this is all about the gram atomic weights. Okay. Thank you.